Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, we'll learn how to fix Roblox Error Code 279 on your MacBook. This error usually means your Mac cannot connect to Roblox servers, and it is often caused by internet issues, corrupted cache, or blocked network access. Let's start with the fastest check. Open Safari or any browser on your MacBook and type this in the address bar: status.roblox.com, press return. This page shows whether Roblox servers are working properly. If you see anything marked red or unstable, the issue is on Roblox's side, and you just need to wait until it is fixed. If everything is green, move to the next step. Now restart your internet connection. Turn your Wi-Fi off and on again from the top menu bar, or restart your router completely. Once your internet reconnects, try launching Roblox again. Next, clear any browser or app cache if you are using Roblox through a browser. Open Safari, click Safari in the top menu bar, then go to Settings, then Privacy, and click Manage Website Data. Remove Roblox-related data, or click Remove All to fully reset cached login and connection files. If this video is helping you so far, please like the video and subscribe to DelftStack for more quick Mac and iPhone tutorials. Now let's reset your network connection on macOS. Open System Settings, go to Network, select your Wi-Fi connection, and click Forget this network. If you're using Ethernet like me, then you can skip this step. Okay, so reconnect by selecting your Wi-Fi again and entering your password. This refreshes your network configuration and often fixes connection errors like 279. Another important step is disabling VPNs, proxies, or any network filtering apps. If you are using one, turn it off and try Roblox again, because these tools can block Roblox ports and cause failed connection attempts. Finally, restart your MacBook once more and try joining a game again. This ensures all network and app changes are fully applied, and that's it. You now know how to fix Roblox Error Code 279 on your MacBook using simple network checks, cache reset, and a clean reinstall. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video.